¿Qué onda, vatos? Hope y'all having a wonderful day. Just wanted to kind of give you guys an update on the GoPros. Maybe some of y'all are wondering, hey, how come you're riding with the Sessions? Yeah, this is the Sessions right over here. Now, if you guys know, you guys see my other videos, my earlier content, I do have the Hero 8, and the one over here, this is the Hero 5. So what's going on? Why am I not using the Hero 8? And there's just some neck issues that I'm having. I don't know if it was when I used to train jiu-jitsu. That's probably what it is. I got my neck cranked pretty bad a few times, and I don't know. And then I think maybe just the work area. I have my monitor not leveled with my shoulders, so I'm adjusting a couple things. I'm moving a couple things around. I'm trying to figure it out. What is going on with my neck? Now, from just having the GoPro, because I mean I didn't have this issue when I had the lane splitter, so I don't even know if it's the helmet itself or if it's just the way the placement, or I'm trying to figure it out. I want to have the Hero 8 over here on my helmet so you guys can have a really good quality visual of what I see when I'm riding around. But for just some reason, after 20 minutes of having the Hero 8, my neck is just sore, it's stiff, it's giving me issues. I have to take the helmet off, and it just seems like 40 minutes is what the max I've been able to handle with the Hero 8. So that's why I'm using my Sessions a lot. Maybe it's the helmet, maybe it's everything combined together, my work area, my monitor not being where it should be, and then the weight being kind of on my Simpsons helmet. It's out there a little bit more, and it's the same thing with like a jug of milk, or you holding something closer to your body. You got that leverage. You hold it out further away, it gets heavier. So maybe that's what it is. Let's see if I can get this light. Maybe that's what it is. Nope, couldn't get the light. And then having the long motovlogs also, that kind of doesn't help with the neck. But that's the reason why I haven't used my Hero 8, and it's just because of the weight and having that sore neck right after having that neck pain. And you know what, honestly, I think it actually started when I started using the GoPro mod. I'm gonna go pull in, put some fuel on the Lowrider S, and we'll be right back after these short messages.
12 seconds later.
Ooh, full tank of gas. 91 dead dinosaurs. Alright. California, we don't have 93, so we take whatever we get. Alright, we're not complaining. Not gonna flip out and do what everybody's expecting me to do.
Flip out, man.
I'm kidding, guys. Alright, well, that's a nice little bike right there. Where was I? Oh yeah, GoPros. Just being on the subject of GoPros themselves, I mean, they're not the best, they're not perfect, they're action cameras. I do like the smaller form factor just because, what I'm dealing with right now. But a lot of the mods, the mic adapter, if you've seen my videos, I hate this stuff. I mean, they build products, adapters, and it'd be different, I guess, if it was $10 or whatnot, adapters. But a lot of these adapters, they're 60, 80, 90, they're hundreds of dollars, and the shit doesn't even work. I mean, come on. I just wanted to let you guys know, I guess, what's going on with the with the Hero 8, how come I'm not using it? And that's pretty much it. It's, you know, it's not that I don't like it. I like the camera, and it's got a few hiccups. When I got it, it just freezes sometimes. I gotta take the battery out, then I gotta put it back in. It's, you know, it's just a pain in the ass. And then when you have the GoPro mod, you have to take it off the brackets, and I don't have the quick disconnect turn keys on my GoPros. That's why I have my multi-tool on my vest, just so I could adjust and take the battery out, and then, you know, reset the camera. It's a, you know, it's a pain in the ass. But just like the Hero 9, they all have their own issues. I'm hearing the Hero 9 has problems freezing when you're trying to shooting in 5K, 4K. It overheats. I mean, I don't know. I mean, there's just and it's not like, you know what, they're gonna fix it. I've been waiting for an update on my Hero 8, and I haven't seen anything. I still have that issue. And then my Hero 5, for some reason, it just drains the battery. I don't know. I check the settings. I make sure the wireless is disconnected. Everything seems to be fine, but I'll charge it the next day. That's why I have the battery pack connected to it. It's draining the battery. I don't know what it is. I don't know what's going on. I'm looking into it. I'm updating the firmware. Same thing with the Hero 8. How come I'm still dealing with this stuff when I'm paying $3, you know, even the new Hero 9, $450 plus tax? You're looking at $500. And I mean, this stuff's supposed to work. I'm pretty sure they have the R&D, and, you know, they're not overhauling the design completely. I mean, not necessarily overhauling it, but come on, you know, get something that works, please. Something out of the box. A lot of people talk about, you know, how there's always some kind of glitch with GoPros. There's always a new glitch. There's always something's going on. Everything's same stuff, same thing, same everything. So stay out there, stay safe. Don't listen to I'm not gonna go into that anymore. All right, you guys stay out there, stay safe. Get the bike, get out there and ride. Still summertime. It's beautiful out here. Look at this. Later.